Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Orlando Pirates 3. I'm joined by Umzilikazi.
Wala Stimo.
Yeah.
Angala ngibingelela makhosi.
Yeah.
And ngwatshelile ngathi Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Keep your losing spirit.
Yeah.
I will keep my winning spirit.
Yeah.
That's what they said. And then today, I'm happy.
Yes.
That Orlando Pirates scored 3 goals.
Yes.
And then wathatha nama points awu3.
Yes.
Makhosi ningaphatheki kabi.
Yes.
Bengicabanga ukuthi ngizokwenzani. Ngoba phela bafowethu niyayazi indaba.
Yes.
Amabhakani ehambela phezulu.
Yes.
Ngiyazi bebe-GNU. Bebe-GNU bebehamba ne-Sundowns. I-GNU ngiyihlulile.
Yeah.
And then ngimile ngilibhakaniya.
Yeah.
Ngithi nonke amabhakaniya e-South Africa.
Yeah.
Ngithi kini lindani usuku amathambo ahlangene inkosi yabuya seyithatha ikhamba.
Yeah.